to set up payment and tax info for content monetization. You just got your Facebook content monetization invite and you don't know how to set up your payment and tax information? You are not alone. In this video, I will show you exactly how I set mine up. Step by step, what you need for the setup. No confusion, no guesswork. So that you can start earning your money without delays or mistakes. Don't let confusion stop your dollars from dropping. Let's fix this in less than 10 minutes. My name is Jovita Ume, and to set up your payment and tax information, first, log into your Facebook and go to your professional dashboard. If you are using mobile phone, it is exactly the same thing. Same process. The only difference is how the screen looks, but the steps and options are the same. So don't be discouraged. Just keep watching and follow every process. Now, the 4 things you need to get paid on Facebook are: 1. Your task identification number, that's TIN. Secondly, a domiciliary account, that's a dollar account. Third, your bank SWIFT code. And the fourth one is your postal or zip code. I will show you how and where to get them in this video. Just keep watching. So from your professional dashboard, if you are using phone, go to where you saw the content monetization invite and click the setup or sign up, anyone you are seeing there. Click on it. For me, under this professional dashboard here, I will scroll down to this in-stream ads.
I will click on it.
It will load and bring out this content monetization box. Click on sign up below. It brings out the content monetization interface proper. After this payment setup, I will show you guys how to set up task info. So watch to the end of this video so you don't miss any step. So after clicking on the sign up, it brings out the content monetization interface proper. The first box says no monetization violations. The second box, it's showing content monetization, same as the third box. Come under this overview and click on the content monetization. It will bring out this dialog box. It says simplify how you earn from Facebook. Scroll down and click sign up. If you are using mobile phone, click on the setup close to the content monetization invite on your dashboard. After clicking the sign up, it will take me to the next part. Here it says complete setup task. Agree to terms and conditions. Click review terms. Go ahead and read everything to be sure. After that, click on the agree to terms. It will load and bring out this completed here to show you that that part is settled. The next one is set up payment account. Go ahead and click on set up account. It will take you to the next step, which says you can add a PayPal or bank account to associate with this page. You may need your tax info, routine, and bank account numbers for setup. Remember I said this earlier. Click on the next below to bring out this dialog box which says let's start with the basics. They are asking for your basic information. They are saying to make sure your first and last name are entered as they appear on your task document. So check your TIN or government issued ID card. Make sure to enter exactly the same first and last name here. I will go ahead and enter my first and last name the way it is on my TIN. Enter your date of birth and select your country of residence. It will load and take you to the next step of the setup. Here it says enter your business info. The info will be used to set up your profile and to report your taxes. First is the country, which we have already selected. Second one is business type. Read through and select the one that matches your kind of business. For me, I selected individual like so. Select your country. If you haven't, then click next. Let it load. After loading, it will take you to the next part of the setup. Here, it's asking more of your basic info because they have automatically filled your name and date of birth. So, come to the second one and type in your middle name. Then scroll down to home address and type in your address. Next, type in your city, then select your state. After that, you type in your postal code or zip code. You can check your area postal code online. Every area has their own postal code and it's online. After inputting, next enter your phone number. After that, enter your email address, the email where they will send you your payment receipts. Then lastly, enter your TIN. You can get your TIN online or from your local tax office or FIRS. This VAT/GST registration number is for those that are registered. If you're not registered, leave it blank. Next, check this box if you are sure you got your rightful TIN. You can go through it. After checking the box, you click next. It's going to load and take you to this phase, which says choose how you would like to get paid. The account you put here, that's where they will pay your money into. Also note that you can change it anytime in the settings. You can manually link bank accounts or link your PayPal account. It's advised to select the first one if you are in any country with limited PayPal features. I selected this manually link bank account. It will load and take you to the final payment phase. They already brought out my full name because it matches with my TIN. Next, enter your bank SWIFT code. You can get it online or ask your bank for it. Every bank has their own. After inputting my bank SWIFT code, I will input the domiciliary account number. Go ahead and confirm everything here to make sure they are correct. You can go back from this arrow to make changes or adjustments. Then finally click on link payment method, and that will be all for the payment information. Next is the tax info. That's the tax information. You can choose to add it later or continue. I clicked on add tax info. If you're using mobile phone, it's going to bring out the add tax info like this. Click on add tax info and it will take you to the get started with tax information proper. Then for laptop users, if it's your Facebook profile which you switched to professional mode, it will also take you to the get started with tax info. If yours is a page, it will bring out these switching accounts. Just click continue. Here, it will request that you allow task to access your name and profile picture. That's the one in your personal account. They just want to be sure that it's the same person and also the same name. After clicking continue and after accessing your profile, it will then take you to the get started with task information phase proper. The first one there is your task classification. Select yours. Mine is already on individual. If you set up yours as business initially, it will automatically select business here for you. The second one is asking if you are a US citizen or not. So select yes if you are a US citizen. If you are not a US citizen, select no. After selecting, another option will pop up asking if you are standing in for someone to receive payment or if you are the owner, like the main person receiving the payment. If you are receiving for someone, select yes. I am not standing in for someone, so I selected no and clicked next. It will load and take us to the next phase, which says enter name and task identification number, that's TIN. The first one, which is full name, has been filled automatically. This is because we provided some information earlier. Next, select your country of citizenship. After selecting your country, next is the TIN. Here it says, I have a non-US TIN. It will be checked automatically for you if you are not a US citizen. Then the next box, you type in your country TIN. You can get it online or from your local tax office like I said before. If you don't know how to get it online, follow me on Instagram at Jovita Ume. Send me a DM for how you can get yours online. After typing in your TIN, click next. And it will bring you right here, which says enter your address. That's your country, address, city, state, and zip code. As you can see, they have automatically filled everything in for you. The address line 2 is optional. Remember your zip code here. That's if yours is blank. Click next. This dialog box will appear. It says add your mailing address. They have added it from the permanent address we provided earlier. If you want to change yours, then uncheck the box and change it. Mine is the same, so I will click next. Here it says claim of treaty benefit. So this is for US non-citizens. You have to pay tax because you are not working in the US. So go ahead and select your country of residence. Don't worry about this red write-up. It will appear if you are not a US citizen. So click next and it will take you to the next step, which says contact us to continue. Please take your time and read through this form carefully. It's IRS form W8BEN. Read through it carefully and make sure all your details are correct so that you can get monetized successfully. Check this small box up here because you are not there physically to consent or sign any signature. So this is like an electronic signature. You're going to use your name relating to your account as the signature. Scroll down and check this small box. Then type your full name in the signature box. Type in your first name first before the last name, the way it appears on your TIN. This means that you have signed and agreed to what you just read. You can change the date to the latest date or leave it like that if it's correct and click next. It will take you to the next phase, which says review and submit. So kindly read through and go through everything you selected and entered to confirm they are all correct. After confirming, scroll down and click submit form. You can click on this make changes if you want to make any changes or change anything you noticed you entered wrongly. I am not changing anything, so I will click on submit form. It will bring out this which says you have successfully submitted your information and your information has been verified. Scroll down, make sure to check this small box so that you can get messages in your email. Click done and it will show you all set for now. Please verify your account so as to keep it secured by clicking here. Then enter your email and click send email. Enter the code sent to you and submit. Your Facebook payment and tax information is now fully set up. If this helped you, please don't just watch and go. Like this video, drop a nice comment and share. I will show you how to start earning fast on Facebook in our next class. On the notification bell now so that you'll be notified when I upload the video. Click on this picture to subscribe now for more creator tips that actually work. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.